This is honestly going to make your videos a lot more professional and save you a ton of time.
Well, tell me more about it. I'm interested.
So welcome back to another video. My name is Mario So, and it is great to see you back here again. Today, I wanted to talk about this plugin and the set of motion graphics, animations, effects, and I have to say that you can level up and make your videos look more professional in just a few clicks. So before we continue, a big thank you to MotionCan for sponsoring this video. All of the overlays, animations, motion graphics that I'm using in this video are from that preset pack, just to give you a taste of how cool they look. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to install this in Premiere Pro. They also have this available for other video editing software like Final Cut Pro, DaVinci Resolve, and Adobe After Effects. But today, we'll focus on Premiere Pro. So one thing that I have against traditional presets that you can find is that once you put them into your presets folder, there are so many of them that you have no idea what each of them are because there's no preview. In order to find out what each of these do, you have to drop it into your footage and play it and see what they do. And that can be very time consuming and waste a lot of time. But with this set of presets from MotionCan and their plugin, you're able to see all of these effects in real time without having to apply it first into your video clip or bringing it into your timeline. And this is a huge time saver.
That'll come in handy later on.
After you have downloaded the motion graphics pack, all you need to do is make sure that you copy and drag the downloaded motions pack and put it into a folder that you call Motion Bro. After that it's done, go into Adobe Exchange and make sure that you sign in with the same account you used to sign in into your Adobe Creative Cloud. Once you're here, you can click on Creative Cloud, discover the Creative Cloud Marketplace, and search for Motion Bro. And this is right here. All you need to do now is just click on it, click on the free button, and it will download it. What you do next is to click on Open Creative Cloud Desktop app and have it installed in your Creative Cloud account. Once you have it installed in your Creative Cloud, you'll be able to see it in the Stock and Marketplace tab under Plugins. After that, go to Premiere Pro, under Window, go to Extensions, and then you'll see it right there. It'll open up and you'll have all your motion graphics available right at your fingertips. So you have anything from typography, and there are a ton of options right here. There are backgrounds that you can use. There are also transitions that come with sound effects already. So as soon as you hover, you're able to see the transition play out and also hear the sound effects. So let's apply one of these transitions into these two clips that I have. Once you have found one that you like, click on Apply, and it'll apply it right here. All I'll have to do now is just make it 100%. So it's for the entire video. And once I play this, there you have it. Super easy, and the sound effect is down here. I didn't even have to go and find my own sound effects. You also have what they call flat transitions, overlay transitions. You also have a tab for social media, and this is going to be where I tell you to please subscribe if you haven't already and hit the like button if you haven't already. So if you're really liking what you see and you're interested, I'll be leaving links in the description below for you to check out this motion graphics pack. You can get it directly as a one-time purchase from the Envato Marketplace, and you can also get it via an Envato subscription. You also get a bunch of titles that are actually very cool. You get lower thirds, and one of my favorite ones are these Kinetic titles. If you were to do these from scratch, it would take you a while to do it, but with this, it's just super easy. So let's try this one. Put it on top. You can go to the Essential Graphics panel and you're able to edit the text right here. You can also select the font. You can adjust the size of the text. You can also change the color of the text and scale this as well. We also get a bunch of shape elements that are really cool just to add a little bit of an extra touch or extra flavor to your videos. You get also these interface icons that are pretty cool and pretty handy to use for any things that you want to use them for. We have even weather icons. And what I like to use a lot are these glitch elements. As you can hear, these ones also come with their own built-in sound effects. You also get glitch overlays that also have their own sound effects. So a lot of stuff for you to check out and play around with. There's also callouts, text messages, infographics. If you're doing corporate videos or doing presentations for work and want to spice them up, you can use these. There's also text messaging tabs, and you also get a ton of sound effects that are already included with this preset pack. With this motion pack, you get bubbles, data. You can just hover over these just to hear what they sound like. And there is a whole list of categories that you can select from. So you don't have to go in and dig into your files. You can just find them directly from here. So one really cool thing that I want to show you as well, go into, let's say, the backgrounds or the typography over here. Let's use this one. So let's say we have this. We'll make this just a tiny bit bigger. Let's say this is a little bit too long for video footage. All you have to do is just drag it to your desired duration, and this is going to automatically adjust to that duration. Obviously, that's a little bit too fast, but the benefit of this is that the in and the out animation, they stay the same. And the only thing that changes when you adjust that duration is that middle part. So it's a very simple way to adjust that duration of any of these motion graphics that you get in this pack. The other thing what I want to mention is that these motion graphics, they adapt to the video aspect ratio that you're working on. So for example, we have this one that is working on a 16:9 aspect ratio. And if I create another sequence in 9:16 for social media, we have this 9:16. Let's go back here and we'll apply the same one. Let's bring this video clip here. We'll make this a little bit bigger to fill the entire screen. And you can see how it just automatically adjusted to a 9:16 aspect ratio without having to go into the specific details to figure things out. So it adds this very cool smart auto scaling feature. So this was the 16:9. This was the 9:16. There's one more thing that I want to show you, which is the devices category. Let's apply one right here. Let's resize it. These act as mock-ups. All you need to do is just drag and drop your footage or your media and it'll automatically replace in here. Let's go to Essential Graphics, and under Media Holder, we'll click on Replace from Finder. I'll just pick any regular video clip here, click OK. And as you can see here, the media has been replaced. Obviously, this clip needs to be colored still. It was shot in a log picture profile. I haven't colored it yet, but just to give you an idea of how easy it is to use one of these templates and then just drag and drop your footage or your photography to create really stunning motion graphics with these placeholders. Depending on the effect, there are a bunch of different features that you can individually adjust, but you get the idea. If you are interested in checking out this motion pack, there'll be links in the description below. So anyways, that's it for today's video. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.